Here's a little food for thought for you. At a recent EOS Integrator Mastery Forum session, I heard a really impactful nugget. So it was when your A players start letting you down, it's likely a capacity issue. Has this ever happened to you? Your number one people just start letting you down? And you have to ask yourself when you bump into this, do they truly GWC the seat? So remember, capacity can be something that's out of someone's control. It can be fleeting and go up and down, but it's an issue that we can't avoid. The open and honest question, does this person GWC, get it, want it, and have the capacity for the seat, especially with our A players, is something we cannot avoid. And most teams don't even realize that they're avoiding it. So here's how it manifests. We solve the problems around the wrong person. We have to press ourselves as a team when we see someone who doesn't fully GWC the seat. When they don't get it, when they don't want it, when they don't have the capacity, we have to address it. But instead of addressing it, we always seem to fall into this trap of building workarounds. Has that ever happened to you? It looks like this. It's softening expectations. It's ignoring what's written on the accountability chart. It maybe looks like assigning two people to one seat. Oh my gosh. Then we sit there and our teams wonder why things still feel stuck. Hey there, I'm Chris Beer, integrator and just regular everyday user of the EOS tools. I'm sharing what I've found to be an unlock in the everyday use of the EOS tools with my team. So I've found that when you protect the person, you are protecting the problem. That's right, the problem is still there. And having that problem still there, protected, erodes the system from the inside out. In fact, it erodes the trust in the operating system that you're trying to adopt. And from a behavioral piece, the why behind this trap, it's something we keep falling into over and over, and it's because humans are tribal. We avoid social rejection. And so calling out someone as a GWC misfit, ooh, that feels personal. So instead, we build systems that accommodate this gap and avoid the problem. But here's the problem. Every time you do that, the reality hits. And here's what happens. The roles blur, the ownership dies, the accountability fizzles, your A players get resentful, and then the entire accountability chart starts to soften. People start to lose faith in the tools because what's written, what you've agreed upon, is not actually being enforced. As an integrator, I've found that the hardest part of EOS isn't deciding to adopt the tools. It's having the courage to use them when life happens, when things get uncomfortable. And guess what? That's all over the time. So if you want to reverse that pattern, here's what you do. When you see your A players starting to let you down and you're wondering, is this a capacity issue? Call the question. Don't dance around it. Ask the team directly, even if that person is sitting in the room. Does this person truly GWC, get it, want it, have capacity for this seat? Do the right thing and separate the person from the seat. This isn't about who they are, it's about what the seat requires. Don't delay clarity. Every time you wait and see and just kind of hope and pray that it works out, it's another week of slow decay in the trust of the tool set across the org. I'm sharing this not to be harsh. I'm sharing this because I've found it's healthy. Clarity is what allows people to grow and move with dignity. When you call that out, there's a good chance that person is suffering while they're in that seat. So help them. Being a leader is deciding what the business needs and then having the guts to protect that standard.